Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall macOS on a MacBook. If your MacBook is showing any of these problems, it won't boot, it's stuck on the Apple logo, it shows a prohibited symbol, macOS is corrupted, or you simply want to perform a clean installation, then this video will help you. Let's get started. Step 1. Enter macOS recovery. Before we begin, identify which type of Mac you have. For Intel-based Macs, completely shut down your Mac. Press the power button. Immediately press and hold one of these key combinations, Command+R, start macOS recovery from the local recovery partition. Option plus Command+R. Start Internet recovery and install the latest macOS compatible with your Mac. Shift plus option plus Command+R. Start Internet recovery and reinstall the original macOS or the closest version still available. For Apple Silicon Macs, M1, M2, M3, M4, shut down your Mac completely. Press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until loading startup options appears. Click Options. Continue. You'll now enter macOS recovery. Step 2. Open Disk Utility. Here you'll see your internal SSD and the APFS volumes. You may notice two volumes, Macintosh HD, or in my case, SRPOS. Macintosh HD, Data, or SRPOS, Data. Don't worry. These are not two physical SSDs. Modern versions of macOS automatically separate the operating system and your personal data into different APFS volumes. Step 3. Erase the volume. If you want to keep your existing files, you don't need to erase the drive. Simply close Disk Utility and continue with the macOS installation. However, if you want a clean installation or you're reinstalling macOS from scratch, select your APFS volume, click Erase, choose APFS as the format, and give it a name. Then click Erase. Step 4. Start installing macOS. After closing Disk Utility, select Reinstall macOS, click Continue. The Mac will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to your wireless network. If you get this error, this requires downloading important content that cannot be downloaded at this time. If you see this error, don't panic. Restart the Mac, boot back into Internet recovery using Command+R, connect the Wi-Fi. Make sure your Internet connection is stable and try the installation again. Sometimes Apple's recovery servers or network connectivity can cause this temporary error. After the connection is established, select your preferred language. You'll then return to the macOS Utilities screen. Open Disk Utility again. If you're performing a clean installation, erase the volume, choose macOS Extended, Journaled, as the format, and give the volume a name of your choice. Once the erase process is complete, close Disk Utility. Now select Reinstall macOS and click Continue. At this stage, the installer may ask you to connect to Wi-Fi again. If prompted, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Then accept the license agreement, select the volume you created, and click Install. The macOS download and installation will begin, and after it finishes, your Mac will restart automatically. The Mac will now download and install macOS. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. During the installation, the Mac may restart several times. This is completely normal. Initial setup. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the setup screen. Select your country, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Apple ID if you want, create your user account, and finish the setup. Your Mac is now ready to use. That's it. We have successfully reinstalled macOS on this Intel MacBook Pro. I hope this tutorial helped you fix your Mac and understand the recovery process. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching SR Tech Lab. If you enjoy practical technology tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and IT support tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.